today's Om Pathshala. It will transform your dream into reality.
Good afternoon, my dear student. Today we are going to solve the important question of financial management. These questions are based on previous year question paper. The topic, the June 2017, they have given the function of financial management. Number one, investment decision. Number one, investment decision. Number two, financial decision. Number three, dividend decision, and liquidity decision. So, before solving this question, we have to understand the function of financial management. This is the function of financial management. There are certain financial management have a certain objective, and number one, number two, scope and approach. Number three, traditional of the financial management. That the important function of financial management. Function of financial management is the investment decision, financing decision, and dividend policy decision. Investment decision is based on short-term current asset management and long-term fixed asset management. The short-term current asset management is based on working capital, and fixed asset management is based on capital budgeting. Now our question is to match the investment decision is related the capital budget in the long term. Investment decision is a long-term process, is related the capital budgeting decision. Financing decision is related to the capital structure decision. We have to understand another topic, the financial structure. Financial structure is based on the capital structure, which is based on factor affecting and cost of capital. And financial leverage. Capital structure also related with the financial leverage, operating leverage, financial leverage, and combined leverage. And financial decision is based on the debt. Key aspect of financial decision include debt and equity. The debt provide the fund without diluting what. And key factor, cost of capital structure. Now our question is based on the dividend decision. The dividend decision is related with the retained earning, and liquidity decision. Liquidity decision is related to the current asset. We'll move on the next question, the capital budgeting process. The capital budgeting process, the project capital budgeting process is based on the sequential order we have to arrange. First step, project planning. Second, A, project valuation. Third, B, project selection. Next, D, project implementation. A, project control. B, project review. The option 2 is the right. Our next question is based on the time value of money, future value of money, present value of money, and effective rate of interest. Next class I will discuss this topic. Next important, long-term asset mix. This is the important area under the section of financial decision. I have told you the financial management is based on financial planning, investment decision which is related to the capital budgeting decision, financial decision, working capital management decision, and risk management. This question is based on long-term asset mix. So long-term asset mix is related with the capital budgeting decision. Next question is the profit allocation. Profit allocation is related to the dividend decision. What is dividend? the portion of profit distributed to the shareholder. Next, net working capital. Net working capital is related to the liquidity decision. Net working capital management. Working capital means the cash management, receivable management, inventory management. So, working capital, net working capital is related to the liquidity decision. Financial risks related the capital structure decision. So, option number 3 is the right. This is the important question. Another important question is related to the capital structure. So, financial terminology, capital structure is related to the proportion of debt and equity. B. Lien. Lien is related to the publicly disclosed legal claim on collateral. C. Discounting is related to the present value of future amount, and annuity is related to stream equal annual cash flow. This question is come very recently. And finally, which among the following is not a source of working capital financing? Letter of credit, commercial paper, factoring, all other sources of working capital financing except derivatives. So these are the important questions of financial management. And my dear student, before solving these kinds of questions, you have to understand in detail about the financial management, objective, scope and approach, function of financial management, technique of financial management, important key element of financial management, guide to understand the financial structure also, capital structure, financial leverage and dividend. Next important area, investment decisions. Have to understand the long-term key aspect of investment decision, long-term investment decision, portfolio decision, short-term working capital, risk appetite, market trend, time horizon. These are the important factors. And have to understand the financial decision under the section, the debt versus equity, key factor, capital structure, and dividend decision, important factors and types of dividend. Then you can solve these types of important questions on financial management. So these are the important questions of previous year of financial management, especially function of financial management. In my next class, I will discuss another important topic of financial management.